In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change RAM speed in ASUS DDR5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the components that you have on your motherboard, either an AMD CPU, Intel CPU, AMD GPU, NVIDIA, and so on, changing the RAM speed is the same process for all of them. And keep in mind that ASUS has usually three lines of motherboard. They have the Prime series, the TUF series, so TUF, and finally the ROG series. The process of overclocking your RAM or changing your RAM speeds is going to be the same for all of them, so just follow these steps that I showcase here. First, you will have to access the BIOS. This will usually be done by pressing Delete or F2 over and over while your computer is rebooting. So try pressing Delete or F2 to access the BIOS. If this doesn't work, then check the manual for your particular motherboard model. Once you are inside of the BIOS, you should see the Easy Mode view. Now you can check to see if XMP is enabled here at the left. So if all you want to do is use your RAM at the rated speeds, it's as simple as enabling XMP. So all that you have to do is change this option from disabled to enabled. And by doing this, you will use your RAM at the rated speeds. So for example, if you purchased RAM rated at 6400 megatransfers, by enabling this, it is going to be used at that speed. Now, if this option is not available, or if you would like to fine-tune your RAM speed, you have to go into advanced mode. So press F7 or click here to go into advanced mode, and now switch from main to AI tweaker. And the very first option is going to be related to increasing the RAM speeds. So change AI overclock tuner to DOCP. Usually they will give you different options, so DOCP1, DOCP2, and each of them will have a value or a speed attributed to them. So in this example here, 6400 is attributed to DOCP1, and now you will be good to go. Always remember to save the changes when you exit, otherwise they will not be retained. And something else to keep in mind is that for 90% of users, simply enabling DOCP1 or XMP is going to be enough. If you want to overclock your RAM, I would only recommend doing this if you know what you are doing and how you can safely do it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change RAM speed in ASUS DDR5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.